Hello everyone, in this video you will see how to add admin on Facebook page. Before you get started with how to list, you need to verify you are an admin to create another admin. If you aren't an administrator on Facebook, ask an admin to change your page roles, then you can proceed. Once you log into your Facebook account, click on the blue arrow in the upper right hand corner of your screen. You will see a drop down with an option to manage pages. Click that or your business page if it appears in the shortcut pages section of this drop down. You should see a settings button in the upper right hand corner of your screen. Click on this to make changes to your page roles. Now you will leave your business page and arrive at a dashboard. On the left hand side you will see a page roles option. Click on that. On the right hand side of your page, you can assign a new page role, view the page owner, or view existing page roles. If you want to add someone to your team who isn't currently working on your page, go to assign a new page role. You will see a toggle bar to your right. By default, it is always set to editor. Toggle to select admin. Your new admin should get a notification in his or her email and Facebook feed to accept the invitation. Then he or she can get started on admin duties. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.